I'm going to make some people uncomfortable with this one, but being talented isn't enough anymore. You can be the best at what you do. Your lash sets are flawless. Your microlink installs are perfect. Your vajacials leave clients glowing. But if the right people don't know you exist, your skills won't pay the bills. And the truth is, most beauty pros are marketing to everyone, which means they're connecting with no one. Before we get into this, like this video, subscribe, and download the free automation guide in the description. It'll show you how to use AI to handle your follow-ups, messages, and marketing, so you can focus on making money and serving clients instead of burning out trying to do it all yourself. Now let me ask you a question. Have you ever wondered why someone with half your talent has a fully booked calendar? Why your posts get likes but not bookings? Or why you keep attracting the wrong clients, people who want discounts, who cancel last minute, or who don't value your time? Those are the exact problems we're going to fix today. Because once you understand how to market your niche services to the right audience, everything changes. The first thing you need to know is that your audience isn't anyone who wants a service. That's the mistake most people make. Your audience is a specific type of person with specific needs, habits, and values. For example, if you do volume lashes, your client isn't just someone who wants lashes. She's someone who values luxury, time savings, and consistent beauty maintenance. She likely follows lifestyle or makeup creators, not discount pages. If you offer micro-link extensions, your audience isn't just women who want longer hair. It's women who want versatility without commitment, people who invest in quality and care about natural results. And if you do vajacials, your ideal client is someone who values self-care and confidence, not just hair removal. Once you define that, you can tailor your entire marketing message to speak directly to them. The way you describe your service, the visuals you post, the hashtags you use, all of that should reflect your niche audience. Don't post like you're trying to please everyone. Post like you're speaking to one person who truly gets it. Let's talk about content. Niche services need education-based marketing. People can't book what they don't understand. If your audience doesn't know what microlinks are, you need to show them the transformation and explain the benefits. Before and afters, close-ups, and short clips of the process work wonders. Add voiceovers that explain why it's better than traditional methods. For volume lashes, focus on educating clients about retention, aftercare, and the difference between classic and volume. For vajacials, break the stigma and focus on the skincare aspect. Talk about brightening, exfoliating, and confidence. When you educate, you position yourself as the expert, and experts attract higher-paying clients. Here's the part most beauty professionals overlook, where you market matters just as much as how. If you're offering luxury services, you need to be visible where luxury clients spend time. That means Pinterest, Instagram, Google, and email, not just TikTok trends. Use location tags that reflect upscale neighborhoods. Use hashtags that speak to your service level, and optimize your bio, so it says exactly what you do and for who. Volume lash artist helping busy women wake up flawless is a lot more powerful than lash tech. By the way, if you want to automate your marketing so these posts, emails, and follow-ups run on their own, download the free automation guide in the description. It'll show you how to use AI to set up content calendars, follow up with clients automatically, and stay consistent even when you're fully booked. Now let's go deeper into what actually drives conversions, your messaging. The most powerful marketing doesn't sell services, it sells transformation. People don't book a microlink install, they book confidence. They don't schedule a vajacial, they schedule self-care. They don't buy lash extensions, they buy the feeling of waking up beautiful with no effort. That's what you should be highlighting in your captions, emails, and videos. Show them what their life looks like after they book with you, not just what the service looks like. The final key is consistency and tracking. You can't improve what you don't measure. Track which posts bring the most inquiries, which platforms give you the most clicks, and which types of clients rebook most often. Once you know that, double down. Most beauty businesses give up too soon. They post a few times, get no response, and stop. But marketing is momentum. Once it compounds, it keeps growing even while you sleep. When you focus on your niche audience, everything becomes easier. You stop competing with everyone else, your marketing starts working, and your bookings start coming from people who actually value your work. If you want to learn how to use AI to set up all these marketing systems, your content strategy, emails, client follow-ups, and automated rebooking flows, download the free automation guide linked below. It walks you step by step through how to automate your marketing so you can stay focused on delivering incredible results and building a business that runs smoothly, even when you're not online. Like this video, subscribe for more beauty business growth tips, and I'll see you in the next one.